With summer weather coming in hot, your truck might also be getting a little toasty under the hood. Excessive EGTs for extended periods of time will cause internal engine damage. And believe me, nobody has a good day with a melted piston. High EGTs can be caused by excessive fuel in the combustion chamber, restricted intake system, or potential boost leaks. The best way to help avoid an expensive shop bill is with the Edge CTS3 paired with the pyro gauge. This is the perfect way to keep an eye on all the data your truck shows, from engine coolant temp to boost pressure, EGTs of course, and so many more. If you experience a problem while driving and that dreaded check engine light comes on, don't panic. The Edge CTS3 is equipped with an onboard code scanner for diagnostics. So if anything does happen while you're out and about, you'll have a much better idea of what's going on with this crucial bit of information. Besides, the more you know, the less you blow. Installation is simple. Just mount it, plug it in, and party. No problem with excessive wires running through the cab and into the engine bay. Just a quick clean connection to the OBDII port. Unless, of course, you decide to install the pyro probe kit. I chose to mount my Edge on the left-hand side of my windshield, just because you got this clean wiring running down here, and it was the simplest install, popping off my trim panel and routing it right through my dash there. Bam! The only additional wiring that I had to run into my engine bay was for my pyros, as I'm monitoring both left-hand and right-hand side manifolds. The reason I'm running 2 pyros and monitoring my EGTs closely is because I got a pretty healthy tune in my truck, and I'd love to not melt the piston. So it doesn't matter if you're pulling a trailer or pulling on the dyno, it's best to play it safe with the Edge CTS3.